What's up, YouTube family? I got another one here for you. My Carolina barbecue sauce. Yes, barbecue sauce. Barbecue sauce are actually quite straightforward, whether you're doing a molasses base or a vinegar base. Obviously, with it being a Carolina style, it's going to be a more mustard vinegar base. It's sweet, tangy, and pretty much will go good on anything that you're cooking on the smoker. Tastes amazing on ribs, chicken, and you'll really enjoy this. Give it a try. Let me know what you guys think about it. Here we go. Saucepan. In that saucepan, we're gonna put a cup of mustard. After the mustard, we're gonna do 3/4 cup of cider, a 1/3 cup of brown sugar, 3 tablespoons of butter, teaspoon of allspice, teaspoon of white pepper. We're gonna do a teaspoon of black pepper, with that, we're gonna do about 2 tablespoons of smoked paprika, a teaspoon of soy sauce, so like a splash, a couple of tablespoons of liquid smoke. I love liquid smoke, and a 1/4 cup of Agave Nectar. Give that a quick mix, let that incorporate. With that, we're gonna add a little bit of cayenne pepper, give it a little heat, and a 1/2 cup of sugar. Let that mix incorporate on the stove. If you want it thicker, let it reduce some. But once you get your desired thickness, it should come out looking like this, and we're done.